RIPPA practices green manufacturing, equipped with welding fume treatment and air monitoring systems to create a healthy and compliant working environment. RIPPA uses Kawasaki welding robots for precise welding, ensuring accurate weld placement and enhancing the overall reliability of the equipment structure. Pulse welding technology results in more uniform and aesthetically pleasing weld seams, demonstrating high manufacturing standards. The intelligent production line meets diverse product welding needs, ensuring timely order delivery. Real-time weld monitoring enables full parameter traceability for quality assurance and support. Using advanced gas-shielded welding technology effectively improves weld quality and extends equipment service life. Shot blasting treatment removes surface welding slag, improving the workpiece surface quality. Every weld seam undergoes strict inspection, ensuring product safety and quality with a professional approach. Reliable welding processes give RIPPA products excellent structural performance, providing a solid foundation for efficient equipment operation.